Hey crafters, I wanted to pop in a moment and show you a couple of items that I got over the holidays from Glassboard Studio. If you're not familiar, that is the small family-owned business that makes this magnetic glass mat that you see me use all the time. I love the company, they're great, and I saw these items and I wanted to get them. So to start, I'm going to show you, this is something I got for myself. It is a palette. It's a glass palette. It's got the little rubber bottoms. It is magnetic. Now don't be disillusioned here. I actually thought these were little divots, but it's just an illusion. It's just printed underneath it. So there are not actual divots here. You can see it's nice and flat, but there's different variations of this palette. So this is great because you can obviously draw on it or use it with your like liquid watercolor pens and things like that. And obviously you can just wipe it right off because it's a glass surface. So this is something nice to have for some additional surface for whatever medium I'm playing with. This would obviously also work as like a traditional paint palette if you have a thicker sort of paint like an acrylic or something like that. It might move around because it's flat. If you were to do like a liquid watercolor sort of thing like that, then it might not be ideal because it is flat. But this is a fun option. And I know there's a white one, which would be good for, you know, keeping it true to color and things like that. But the other exciting thing that I actually got this for my husband for Christmas. I'm going to kind of pop out a little bit here so you can see this. This is a desktop like container. And this whiteboard is so cool for him because he can just have it not take up too much of his desk space, but he can write himself little notes and things like that. So it comes with this cool built-in eraser, sort of dry erase pen, and he can keep it right on his work surface. And then check out this storage space. So, oh, look, there's a little eraser here too. Let me get that off a little bit better. Okay, so yeah, comes with this. Comes with the marker. You have a little storage here to stick it in or whatever. But this, he can keep little, I don't know, paper clips and pens and things like that on his desk. So I got him this as a Christmas present, but I think it's a really neat thing. If I had more room on my desk, I would probably use it because I could see it being really helpful for taking note of what products I used in a video or something like that. So if you have the desk space for something like this, this is a really cool new item. So you may know that I am an affiliate for Glassboard Studios, and I do actually have a special coupon. So if you type Amy's Wears 20 at checkout, you can get 20% off the entire website at their shop. So be sure to check them out. I'll link these items in the video description box below. If you expand and scroll down, I'll also put my coupon down there. But check out this small family business in the US. They're amazing. They have the glass boards and things like this and other planning sort of tools, other whiteboard options. So lots of really cool stuff to check out. So if you want to support small, then give them a little of your shopping love and let them know that I sent you by using my coupon. So thanks so much for spending time with me today, and I'll catch you next time.